Thanks for joining us on this edition of Renovation Time. Beautifully renovated bathroom. We'll start with the vanity in this one here. So the vanity, the medicine cabinet, and the small side cabinet, we wanted to retain that and reuse it. So we were able to do that. And it actually has a really nice color to it. So we just basically took them out, put them back in, put a new countertop on the vanity, obviously new faucet. New light fixture as well. Put a fan in here too, so we did, as we always say, put it on a timer. So you just push the timer, let it go for half an hour, it shuts off automatically, which is quite nice, and the GFI is tucked away nicely beside the mirror. This cabinet here actually took us a while to figure what we were going to do on the top of it, because it did have a tile that matched the actual bathroom floor originally. So we took that tile out. We were able to take the same tile that we used on the shower floor and put it on top of here and grouted it. So it just complements everything. And it was one of those things that we were trying to figure out what to do, and I just think it blends the room perfectly. Toilets tucked away neatly, obviously, into here. Floor, I mentioned it's a natural stone. So a lot of customers will come in, they do not want a natural stone because you have to seal it. So we put 2 coats of sealer on here. And remember too, when you look at a natural stone, it's usually lighter because once you seal it, it's going to darken or tone the flooring down. And because it's natural, you really don't know what you're going to get. It'll be close to what the sample shows you, but typically it's going to be sometimes a lot different, sometimes a little bit different. So you have to be okay with a variance, or what they call a variegated tile. Shower walls too, same thing. This is a little bit lighter on the sample board, but when you get the sealer on, it darkens it down. And if you use it, so when you put water on, it's going to darken down again. But as you can see, the effect of natural stone is incredible. I would install natural stone. And last week we talked about too, the tile now being smaller again. It's kind of, a lot of people are liking the smaller, cleaner line with a little bit more grout in it. Weedy niche in a perfect location. You know, you got your soap, your body wash, everything there. It's easy to put there. Seat in here as well. It's just a nice little feature to have if you want it. And then the floor, again, matches this little side cabinet we have here, but just kind of breaks everything up, gives you a little bit more definition to the shower. And again, we heated the entire floor, including the shower floor. And the other thing too, barrier-free showers now. So as you can see, this is sloped into the shower. Floors are exactly the same. Our glass will sit right on top. So amazing looking bathroom. Thanks to the guys, everybody that was included in this job. And as I always say, the customer, you're the best.
Renovation Time is brought to you by Andon Kitchen and Bath Center. Visit their showroom at 1985 Lansdowne Street West, just west of Braley Drive.